What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay, and today is a special day as they have invited us out for Bier Fest. So thank you, Busch. We're going to eat a lot of food and drink a lot of drinks. Let's go. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through the front entrance or security, and we are on our way for Bier Fest. I am starving Marvin. Give me the beer, give me the food, right now. Now we are heading into the bird gardens area of the park for Bier Fest. In years past, we've had this pathway over here with the gate open, and there's been all sorts of booths, but well, that's not happening right now. But there's a lot of food and drinks over in this area. Booth number 1, bourbon tasting. So you can get a single for $11.99 or a tasting flight for $21.99. Booth number 2, inside excursions, we can see red wine sangria and a white wine sangria. And here we can see booth number 3, food. We have German meatballs with a white wine, caper sauce, potato pancake, and a barbecue beer glazed rib. Prices right there, $7.99 for each of them. And of course, they have drinks. And here are some of the food items. You can see the potato pancakes there, the meatballs, and the barbecue rib. Live music, we've got it. Today, it's going to be Slickwood, 12:30, 2:30, 4:30, and 6:30. And here's a good look at the Bier Fest map. As you can see, different locations all over the place. Over here by Aranguazi, this is where we are right now. They have some by Shikara, some up over in Pantopia, and then of course over by Cheetah Hunt and Montu as well. Booth number 4, ciders and sours. We can see right here a whole bunch of them, and I love ciders. All right, so I decided to use one of my punches for a cider, and this one is apple pie. All right, let's try this out. I love ciders, like I said. Let's see if it tastes like an apple pie. Oh my gosh, that's so good. It's literally like I bit into an apple pie, and it's so cold and refreshing on a hot day like today. That's amazing. I wish I had a giant glass of that thing. It's awesome.
Hello, you guys look like a party. Where are we headed?
Photo opportunity spot. And another booth, Pub Grub. Let's see what they got. So on this side we can see they have charcuterie and a cup. They also have fried potatoes and a Bavarian pretzel stick as well. Different prices, $9.99, $6.99, and $7.99 with drinks as well. And there we can see the pretzel and the potatoes right there. And last but not least, the charcuterie in a cup. Yeah. Another booth, booth number 6, hops on tap. They have Terrapin, as you can see right there, a New Belgium Founders all-day IPA, and a Sierra Nevada one.
Yeah, I put the one the guy that was here earlier. His girlfriend was taking a picture of it, and I was like...
All right, so here are the potatoes. Look at all those chives on there. It's a lot of food. This looks amazing. All right, so let's try it out, I guess. And again, this looks amazing. Smells amazing too. Potatoes have a lot of flavor. They're not really hard, and they're not too squishy where it's like mashed potatoes, but a lot of flavor from all those seasonings, the chives, the onions, the pepper in there. And that's a pretty big portion too. At only $6.99, it's one of the cheaper items that's at this booth, and a lot of food. So if you get one of those samplers with 5 items on there, you should have enough on there that you're gonna get full. I'm gonna enjoy this now. Smokehouse, and that's where we can find our next booth, booth number 8. And check this out, brisket poutine. Yes, I'm getting that. They have sliders and a pulled pork slider as well. So they have a marinated beef one and then a pulled pork. Prices, $7.99 for each of those. And here are the different items right there. Slider, you can see. There's the poutine and the other slider right there. Well, I told you I was going to get the brisket poutine, and just look at that. Those cheese curds all the flavor, spices, and chips. Gravy in there too. Let's give it a go. All right, so let's try this out, shall we? Again, cheese curds galore, and brisket that looks really tender and juicy as well. Let's give it a go. Cheese curds are really good. They're cold. They're dense and super cheesy. Really good. I love the gravy that's on there though. It coats it very nicely. I'm used to having poutine with fries instead of chips. I'm okay with chips. And out of all the items that we had over there between the sliders and this had the most amount of food. I think the best value that you're gonna get is from the poutine. On the other side of the smokehouse, well, we have booth number 7. And we can see Bier, Cigar City, and 3 Daughters. They also have Bud Light and Budweiser. Pantopia area, and we can see booth number 9, Pints Across the Pond, and I'm seeing for food, savory, buffalo, cheddar, popcorn. I don't know. Doesn't sound like my kind of liking, but we have different drinks. Carlsberg, we have Hefeweizen, Pilsners, things like that. Twisted Tales Pretzel Shop, and in here, another booth, or at least more Bier Fest stuff. And here's the list of different things. Black Forest Pretzel, they have a pretzel bratwurst, and a bunch of drinks. Sam Adams, Cigar City, Coppertail, 3 Daughters, Key Lime Cider. That one is so good. All right, now we're inside Dragonfire Grill, and we can see the next booth right here. Beverages, Modelo. We also have Bell's, Two Hearted, Ale IPA, 3 Daughters, Florida Orange IPA, Funky Buddha, Cycle Cream and Sugar Please, Woodchuck Amber Cider, Coors Light, and Michelob. You can see all the taps right there. Dragonfire Grill, booth number 12. We can see Polish Boy, kielbasa sausage, sauerkraut. We have pierogies, and then we have Reuben brats as well. So the 2 items I decided on, Polish Boy with a lot of sauerkraut, and then pierogies. And that looks amazing. That sour cream just came out of the fridge. All right, so I just tried the Polish Boy, and that thing is really messy, and I'm not even gonna try to eat that on camera. But as you can see right here, it fell apart. And there's a ton of sauerkraut on that thing. I mean, literally, you could smell it from a half mile away. Some of those that don't like sauerkraut, you won't like this one. I do like that it had the spicy brown mustard on it. The actual sausage is really good. Scale of 1 to 10 on that one though, maybe a 6 or a 7. I think there's other better options here. In fact, I think I'm about to try one of them, the pierogies. All right, so next up is the pierogi. I'm gonna go ahead and get my sour cream ready because, yeah, you gotta have it with this. So it's got cheese. It's got almost like little raviolis. That's the best way I could describe a pierogi, is like a potato-filled ravioli, if that makes any sense. And I'm gonna take a giant bite here, so turn the camera away. Potatoes are good, cheese is good. Honestly, I think the best part of that though is the sour cream. Sour cream mixing with all of those items, really good. Out of all the items that were at that last booth, I would go with the pierogies. Cheetah Hunt, and directly across from that, booth number 13. You can see Bay Area Brews, Beer Cheese Nachos. Then we have Cigar City, Frostproof, Motorworks, Roll Cage Red Ale, Big Storm. There's a lot of different beers here. And for the final booth, we're going up to the Serengeti Overlook, where that's the last one. And the last items can be found here at the Giraffe Bar. Let's go ahead and take a look, shall we? So over here, number 14, Giraffe Bar, we have a charcuterie pretzel, and then more beers, as you can see, Cigar City, Yingling, Florida Avenue, Brew Bus. Man, so many different things. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for their Bier Fest event. And I do want to say thank you to Busch Gardens Tampa for inviting us out. I am super full, had an awesome time, great food, great drinks. I think the pierogies might have been my favorite thing. And of course, they have this every year, and you know we'll be back next year. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.